Every legend has a beginning. Ours started not with a roar, but with a whisper. In a Manchester workshop, the 10 horsepower embodied pure engineering. Perfection was found in silence, proven by the 1907 Silver Ghost. A car so quiet it earned its name. This was our founding promise: peerless engineering and sublime quiet. For decades, our chassis was a blank canvas, a stage for coach builders to create rolling art for royalty and stars. But progress demanded a revolution. In 1965, the Silver Shadow changed everything. It was the first with a modern monocoque chassis and computer-designed suspension. A silent revolution that became our best-selling car, redefining the brand for a new generation. We evolved from the personal luxury of the Corniche to bold, avant-garde statements. Then, a new millennium demanded a rebirth. The 2003 Phantom 7 arrived. With its monumental presence and suicide doors, it was an instant icon, decisively re-establishing Rolls-Royce at the pinnacle of luxury. This new era expanded our horizons. The driver-focused Ghost, the social Dawn, and the revolutionary Cullinan, which silenced all critics by proving that a Rolls-Royce could conquer any terrain in absolute comfort. And now the ultimate expression, not an evolution of the engine, but its elegant replacement. The Spectre is our first fully electric motorcar. This is not a departure, it is a homecoming, because the ultimate expression of silence is, and always has been, electric. From a whisper in a Manchester workshop to the silent pulse of the future. This is our unbroken line. This is Rolls-Royce.